What you see here are the GDX14.4 and GDX18V-LI professional cordless impact drivers from Bosch. Their newly developed combi tool holder enables versatile applications. The high torque with high impact rate enables comfortable work, completely free of kickback. 2 tool holders in one. Instead of having to work with an adapter, you can now easily change the bit from a 1/2 inch square to a 1/4 inch hexagon. The high speed ensures fast work progress when driving screws in metal and wood. Experience for yourself the GDX14.4 and the GDX18V-LI Professional from Bosch, the versatile cordless impact drivers with their unique combi tool holder. Also available in the practical, unique L box.